sine belief yokuthi early intervention iyawenza umehluko emntwaneni. So ukufika kwemvelo primary level kuzokwakha ifoundation ukuthi uma bekhula bakhule bezazi number 1 ukuthi bangobani emphakathini, balindele ukuthi babehave kanjani, even socially uma benabanye abafundi baphathane kanjani.
No, kuyinto enhle kakhulu ebaluleke kakhulu njengokuthi yasiqoqozela kakhulu ukufika kwethimba nje bokushiwo ukuzingane zizobabona zikhulumisane nabo zifunde something kubona.
It will go far because if you are going to do the campaign and use just ordinary people, it doesn't have an impact on the children themselves. So from now, after they have learned about the bullying from the actors themselves and from the TV actors, they are able to relate and see, this one, we see him on the TV, he said we must never do this. It will go a very, very long way.
uNkulunkulu nguye osehlelile ukuthi besizofika la. I didn't do much ukuba ndizelana mina. Okwami ukuthi ndibe khona kwi timing right umdala enzileyo ba impilo yami izondibeka phambi kwenu namhlanje. I might not have something special to give you njengobandilana, but engakofarisha ngoku ipast yami engicinga uba yiye destroye wonke u30 years, almost u30 years anduphilanga benilwela nje ukubaleka ukuzama ungafi engeyona impilo engicinga ubungakwazi ukuyinyamezela njengomngalo.
Siyabingelela, siyabonga ukuba imvelo ifike izosixwayisa ngebullying. Baningi abantu aba-affectekile, so ngakho-ke siyabonga ukuthi umuntu uma ekubhulisha usuyakwazi ukuthi uhambe uyovula icala ngokuthi noma ngabe ukwenze yini. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kuyimvelo social development ukuthi ifike izosixwayisa ngebullying. Baningi abafundi abayeki ibullying, abayeki isikole ngenxa yebullying, and baningi abanye abafundi aba-affectekayo. So njengathi abafundi siyabonga ukuthi bafile bazosiqwashisa ngebullying.
Kakhulu nje umfana obekhuluma ukuthi ubuya khona kwenzakaleni kuyena, uba prepare besabancane ukuze bathi bekhula bangasafisi ukufunda ngamaphutha kodwa bakhule nje benze into ecorrect.
Ngelihleka lifasa uzahlandisa eyameshandiso ngizama ngikuza ngani ajana wena mama ngandongela wona kasolo
ibullying ingozi kakhulu ngoba abanye abantwana bagcina sebezibulala, abanye begcina sebeyeka isikole, abanye bagcina bengasakwazi ukufocus kuphi esikoleni.
I want to honestly and from my bottom of my heart thank them for coming here, for the minutes that they have spent and just an hour that they spent inside the school is so immense that I don't even know how to describe it. I want to thank them and we will want them to come back, and very, very soon we will be making contact to say, guys, we still need you back to school.
No, kwi-social development ngingathanda ukubonga nje ukuthi ukufika kwabo nje kuzoshintsha nje isikole ngoba iy'ngane they are going to take another route now from the wrong thing that they were doing if they were.
Siyabonga kakhulu, sizwela sibakhulu, sizizwela nje siyinto enkulu emseleni ukubona abantu ehlale sibabona kude, sibabona kuma-TV bethinta iy'ngane bafike balingane nathi, balingane ney'ngane. Iy'ngane nazo zikwazi ukubathinta, zikwazi ukujabula. We are very much grateful. Siyafisa ukuthi nangelinye ilanga nibuye sesiprepare kahle. Thank you so much.